Hello! So, I'm doing something I normally don't do, which is an unboxing video. And what I just got here is an item that I hope you will enjoy, but also it is in connection with one of the past podcasts, which is going to be re-aired for this month. And that is one, especially with it being Pride Month, is an important one I figured would be good to be seen. And that is this lovely little item, which you'll see I have the interview with, the creator of which is Rupert Kinnard and Cathartic Comics. So this is the copy that I've just gotten because it finally went through Kickstarter and it managed to make it through fulfillment before all the other problems happened in the world. But at this time of the month, it is important for us to be able to connect with these things that bring us cathartic connection with our history as part of our existence as LGBT people, which is so lovely. And here's just some of the inside, which again, I'm not going to go through a lot of this. You heard a bunch of this when you listened to the podcast, which, like I said, is being re-aired for this month. So please check it out and make sure to give Rupert a shout as well on social medias, which he's there, as well as Stack Deck Press, who did put this together. So please enjoy, and I hope you're all well.